Hey guys, so day 8 of uploading everything until I reach 100,000 followers. Today is actually gonna be a update from day 4, I think. And day 4 was where I had the ears and stuff, where I had the trigger switch for the motorization of the helmet going up and down. Well, this one I changed it to, or I have magnets now. I actually got it from this comment right here, and the foil tape was working, but it also wasn't working 100% of the time. I want it to work 100% of the time, so I just got some magnets. As you see, I just put in some nylon. I just put some tape here, and I just got some of wires exposed just to give a little bit better connection on both sides, and even on these in as well. As you see right here, I just got some more, so I can just put it in. I have not hot glued it or anything. I just need to also take the tape off of this, and I think it'll give it a more flush fit as well. But see, I can just put this back on, and it actually gives it a little bit more extra security when I have it on, or when someone's wearing it. It has a little extra more security with the magnets to hold it up. So I got that right there, and I just need the other one. Oh, I put it in the wrong one. Put the right to there. Put the other version, or the other one right there. And as you see, I got them inside, as you see right there, guys, which actually looks really cool, guys. So stay tuned, and if you have any more tips like this guy right here that commented, please put them down, because I am reading your comments, and I would love to see what you have to say. Let's get it.